Well, I'm back out here working on the disc brake conversion I put on my Bug. If I could set y'all up, I don't know how. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It kept leaking oil. So I come to find out these brackets right here are a lot thicker than the original backing plates. So it's letting my bearing walk around in there. Several thousands. The only way I figured out, and y'all, somebody might know a different way, I done the other side. I've got it. It's good and tight. I end up taking your little bearing cap and machining it down where it would tighten up against the bearing. These are a whole lot thinner than the disc brake ones. Now, I don't know if everybody's running into this trouble or just this car. But I wish I could. And that's the only way that I know of to fix it. I sanded on that bracket a little over there, and it was easier for me to turn down the bearing cap and put it on there. So I'll continue on this side. I might show a little bit what I'm doing this time. Shot. It even walked my seal in. And it's that plate right there. You can see how much oil even dripping down the wheel there. So I machined this down to make up the difference of this. So I'll see if I can get it off there, and we'll see if we can get this in the work. There's the O-ring. Never even mashed it because that bracket's so thick. So I leave this lip here, the bevel part where the seal goes. I don't cut it all the way out. I just barely cut a little of it, and then I cut down into it. And leave that way it will go in behind that bracket, go back up in there for my oil seal to seal off good. I just cut so much of that out this way, and I'll keep doing it till I get it the right fit, and I'm hoping that'll fix the problem. If anybody else has got any suggestions, feel free to give me a comment. Because this is the only option I know to do besides try to cut that bracket there down, and then I'm gonna get it so thin I'm afraid it'll break. So I'm gonna continue. You can kind of see, I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera or not. Them scars where that bearing was walking in there. There you can see them. Where that bearing was walking back and forwards in that housing. So, luckily I didn't drive it very far before I seen it when I was having trouble. There's what I'm doing so far. I'm leaving a little lip right there. I can turn it on, we can do one. Now y'all can see the edge there. Y'all get the idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to try to finish it up. Here's the finished piece. You can see the lip right there. And it fits. It makes just enough room for that to slide in there now and tighten up good. And I still got a place for my O-ring, that grease seal. So I'm going to start reassembling this thing. I'll turn you back on.